Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This might be the shortest video in history because we've just got set up. First couple of casts and the rain's tipping down. Luckily the car is parked right by the river. It's a lovely looking swim. Never fished it before. Driven across a field to get here. And first cast we had a bite. But we were messing about, saw the tip move, come back, maggots all chewed. And the rod you can see here, let's just zoom in on it. This rod here is what we had the bite on, and we've gone across to the far bank over that direction, about a couple of metres short of the trees. Maggots on a cage feeder loaded with a bit of ground bait and a few maggots, and we got a bite straight away. And then this rain started and it's getting heavier and heavier. Doesn't look like it, but it is. Anyway, we're going to give it a try for a few minutes. Hopefully we can catch at least one fish before we have to run for the hills. Of course, Monty the dog is with us, and despite the fact it's tipping with rain, he wants to sit by the rods. I'm not sure why. I think I would. Anyway. This time, boy. I think it is. It's not very big. Yeah, I think we've got a little fish. Well, taken about 10 casts. And we've caught this little fella, and it is another greedy chub. Another fish. Yeah, another small one, I think. What have we got this time, boy? Might be a roach. But it's not. No. Another little chub. same one. Same size. Well, that's all we got time for on this little short video. It's only going to be a few minutes long. But at least we managed to get out. It's been a funny old summer, isn't it? Here we are, middle of July. This time last week it was so hot we couldn't go out. It was over 30 degrees. Today it's half that, and we've managed to get out and do a bit of fishing. Yeah, I know, he's having a lovely time. You don't want to go home, do you? Right. No, but we will be in a minute. We're going to go have some tea. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't before, please subscribe to the channel, send me any comments, and we'll see you out on the bank with Monty and me. We're out fishing in Normandy again. Cheerio for now.